And to the person that said the comments, use cream cheese. Sour cream. We're going to try it and see if it works. Yeah. I'm holding thumbs and I'm praying big time that it actually does work. Otherwise,
we're going to taste sour cream and see what sour cream does to burning. Yeah, and this video will be posted in shorts again. I hope you guys enjoy the shorts. I just use CapCut to make it in shorts, and I hope it's okay. We are gonna make a little bit of adjustments here as well to make it better for everyone. So yeah, let's try the Carolina. Just so by the way, this is Johnny Eksberg's Carolina Reaper paste. Johnny Eksberg, yeah, I bought this from you, you know. Amazing stuff. And this piece of chicken I made from Fat Bro. Brew. No, you just said Fat Bro.
No, it's Brew. It's B-R-U, it's Brew.
Brew. Okay, Fat Bro. Brew. Okay. That's the only thing that I've got on here is that